Donald Trump don tok say real starvation dey happen for Gaza and the US go begin set up food centers to help the situation. E still tok say Hamas dey stubborn to release the last 20 hostages wey dem still hold for Gaza. Na small for today tori be dat. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. No forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel make you no miss hottest story wey we dey drop here as e dey happen. US President Donald Trump don give Russian President Vladimir Putin fresh deadline of 10 to 12 days to accept Ukraine peace deal. E tok say official announcement fit drop tonight or tomorrow. Trump dropped the statement when he meet with UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer for im golf course for Thornbury, Scotland. About 2 weeks ago, Trump don already warn say if no deal show within 50 days, e go slam Russian trading partners with very severe tariffs. But now, Trump tok say e no see reason to wait again and sanctions plus secondary tariffs fit drop any moment. Later today, Trump go also meet Scotland First Minister John Swinney. America and China don start new rounds of trade talks as hope dey strong say dem fit extend the 90-day trade truce wey go expire August 12. The meeting dey happen for Sweden. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and China Vice Premier He Lifeng dey lead the talks. The matter start just hours after President Donald Trump announced new trade framework with European Union. Since Trump returned to White House for January, both US and China don increase import tariffs reach over 100%, but dem agree pause the fight for 90 days after dem meet earlier this year for Geneva and London. Bessent don tok say the talks dey very good place and e believe say another truce fit happen. President Donald Trump don tok say Hamas dey stubborn to release the last 20 hostages wey the two groups tok. E clear say Israel dey plan extend the attack enter other Palestinian areas. Thailand and Cambodia don finally agree to stop fight sharp-sharp after 5 days of border violence wey kpai at least 33 people and scatter tens of thousands. Malaysian President Anwar Ibrahim, wey announce the peace deal with both leaders for Kuala Lumpur, say na vital first step to bring peace and security back. The ceasefire go start from midnight. At first, Thailand no gree make Malaysia mediate, but dem change mouth after US President Donald Trump tok say tariff negotiations go stop until the fighting end. The wahala start to hot for May after Cambodian soldier kpai for one clash. Since then, both countries don block goods, close borders and even send workers back home. Last week, even worse when landmines injure Thai soldier. Thailand come close more borders, chase Cambodian ambassador and recall their own. Both sides begin exchange gunfire by Thursday morning. Even as peace talks dey happen on Monday, shell and rockets still dey land for both sides. Our tok say Asian countries go help monitor the ceasefire and both countries must pull back soldiers and agree to outside monitoring to stop any more clash. And the last one for today na happy tori. England women football team, the Lionesses, don land back for UK to hero welcome after dem beat Spain for penalty shootout take win Euro 2025. Serena Wigman and her girls no just defend their European title, dem also become the first England team wey don win major tournament for another country. The final match end 1-1 after extra time and Alessia Russo cancel Mariona Cardante first goal, but na for penalty shootout England take shine pass. Hannah Hampton saved 2 kicks as dem win 3-1. Later today, Downing Street go do special reception for them, and on Tuesday, dem go ride open-top bus for central London with celebration waka reach Buckingham Palace. And the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.